Good morning, everyone. We are here at the same car wash I always go to, washing up the XB. So I got everything cleaned to what I can do until I can. Hold on, let me switch this up. Much better. All right, so cleaned it to what I can. Like I said, needs a paint job. We are gonna be putting on the regular traffic decal today on the window before we head to the car meet in Brentwood, California. So made my little, of course, I'm Filipino, so I gotta get Filipino stickers. Got my dad automotive accessories, or DAD, and then my regular traffic. So I'm gonna throw these on, and then we are heading out, and I still gotta get fuel. But we are shining. Let's get going. All right, so I got the decal on. I just gotta get out of here. It's gonna be 8 o'clock. Need to meet them in Stockton off of Fresno and Charter at 9, and I gotta get fuel. So we are, where it is, so let's go get fuel, check the tires, and then I'm gonna try to get there at 9. So let's get going. Right over here at Fresno and Charter, Stockton. So we are setting up, getting ready. It's fucking raining. Let's rolling. All right, Rusty came through because I gotta show your XB. This is the homie Rusty's XB. Hella clean. He brought his cute little dog. Yeah, this is what I like right here. That shit's tight. God, hella JDM trunk, golly. Shee. Dope. Shit. God damn. And Ernie's neon. Super dope. So clean, dude. VCR. Alright. We're chill with everyone. And then we'll be out of here. Parked. Lineup's still going. Gonna all line up right here. We'll get going. Let me go and get the wife and we'll head out. Chris's beautiful EG8. Sweet.
I was trying to turn my lights on while I was driving, but it's too bright.
She looks so good. Fucking time, bro. I like it. Damn. Sheesh. I gotta find that bra. No way. I've never seen one.
I know, that's why I was like trying to see it in Japan.
Yeah, I saw that.
Thank you. I'll be for sure hitting you up. I do want to get a color for sure.
Oh, that's Jose.
No.
So we rolled deep. God damn. What's that?
They said there's a Jollibee's over here.
There's?
Yeah.
Oh shit, we gonna eat Jollibee. And get all the video.
Good morning,
Second gen. Nice, I like these. Yeah, I know this car. I know her. Hey, we made it! "7 hours," she said. She hella work. It's so tight. This one has hella detail and work on it to make all those lines. Sheesh. It's tight. It's gotta look good at night.
Try and grab it.
You see that?
Ya hice el tiradera. No, está bien.
Get a hoodie for my wife.
Gracias.
How do you like it?
It's good.
Yeah. Yeah. Is it?
It's tequila. Is that new mix? Oh.
Is it good? I don't drink, so I'm the designated driver. Oh yeah, you don't. Me and Jose don't drink. I think everyone else does. Yeah, me and him are the only ones. Huh. I want to see this one. I like this car here.
Yeah.
Holy fuck yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you're gonna want one, huh?
I'm on vacation.
Yeah, what'd you get? The Nutella or what? Ooh, strawberry soup, banana.
Strawberries, banana, whipped cream, chocolate inside.
Sheesh.
Chocolate outside.
Oh, that's what I always hear. How many motors did you go through? Yeah. Jose's a Subaru guy, now BMW M3 owner. But this is the Subaru I like. I like the bug eye. Ooh, got the STI wing steering wheel too.
Specifically like the 335, the whole cap. And then there's Worker Motorsports.
Check this out. MT. But you know what I'm looking at? 240. No, this one has SR20.
But I do know it'll bring all the heat back inside.
On the Meisters. These different silk clips. Okay.
It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Your sweater now?
I like the wheels. Ooh, got the green lights. That's what I want to do with the XD. You buzz, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's good.
Nice. The red guts. Love it.
I like the red and black.
Yeah. I like these trucks. Oh, what? Oh, it's wrapped. It's so tight. I like it. Ooh, it's tight. It even has like the blinker indicators for the mirrors. I didn't know that. It looks good. Good looking truck. I like it. Hella clean. Good turnout. TR. Nice. Oh shit! Dude, this is your new car, huh?
Yeah.
What's up, Junior?
How you doing?
Doing good. So no more Overlander?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. Thin ass Ricardos. Damn, Jed's GTR is sick. God damn. So all done with the car meet in Brentwood. Stopped by, we went to Jollibee, ate, came back home, brought food for the boys, and dropped off my wife. I jumped in my jumpsuit, and of course when you see me wearing this, I'm not going to work, we're going to the junkyard. So I'm like, F it, let's go see if that center console, cluster right here will still be there. If it is, I'm going to grab it, and then I might actually even just grab that exhaust and take it to the muffler shop and see if they can fix it. But I got to take it apart or take it off and see how damaged the dent is in the rear, just because I do like the way it looks and I've been thinking about it all week. So let's go get those parts. So I'm on the way to Rancho Cordova Pick and Pull, and